Hey, what's up? My name is Arthur, and you're watching The Next Stack. So I want to make an app that could track what I'm doing and to be able to check if what I'm doing is actually correct or not. You probably all know the old children's game Simon Says, where you have to repeat a certain action after a certain person that shows you what you should be showing. Today we're gonna build a simple version of this game with JavaScript. So to start, we're gonna use Teachable Machine by Google. Teachable Machine is a service from Google that helps you train your models online. So we want to make a model that will recognize me standing, putting my hand up and touching my nose. After that, we want to export our model to a file and require it with JavaScript. We also gotta write a function that'll be checking for confidence levels. Since the model we've exported is using PostNet, we want to find a way to wait for a specific response from the model, and then refresh the array so the app could look for a new movement. To keep it simple, we're not gonna check for wrong movements. We're simply gonna keep adding points to the score until you're done playing with it. Since our model is pretty small, we only have two actions, which is putting our hand up and touching our nose, so we're just gonna keep it a simple array. Yeah, this is cool, but I would like to add some styles to it, so let's attach some CSS to it. So I'm trying to make it work without it going into eternal loop, but it's kinda hard because it's updating its frames pretty fast, so we'll have to work and see. Alright, thanks for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see more content like this. If you have any ideas for new videos, leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.